PSLV C-51 రాకెట్ ప్రయోగానికి సర్వం సిద్ధమైంది. నెల్లూరు జిల్లా శ్రీహరికోట నుంచి ప్రయోగ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
-35 सेकंड्स अपने निर्धारित कक्षा की ओर अग्रसर होगा. इस उपग्रह का मुख्य कार्य
-30 सेकंड्स
अंतरिक्षीय मौसम का अध्ययन
-25 सेकंड्स
तथा दूर संचार तकनीक का प्रदर्शन करना होगा. अब हम आपको ले चलते हैं सीधे लॉन्च पैड.
-15 सेकंड्स 10 9 8 7 6 5 3 2 1 0 plus 5 seconds.
Majestic liftoff and the announcement of normal liftoff from the Range Operations Director.
सफलतापूर्वक उत्थापन PSLV C-51 का अपने मिशन की ओर अग्रसर.
Satellites taking a ride in this mission. Amazonia 1 being the prime satellite.
Stage performance normal.
ROD के अभी घोषणा के अनुसार प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन सामान्य होता हुआ अब प्रमोचन यान अपने अधिकतम गतिक दाब से गुजर रहा है. पूरे नियंत्रण तंत्र सामान्य काम करते हुए
The PS-1 performance is according to the expectation for this mission. Both the strap-ons have ignited on ground.
Separated.
It's 1 minute 15 seconds into the launch. Altitude 40 kilometers. All the groundlit strap-ons are separated. Core stage will continue to burn for 1 minute 50 seconds.
अपने निर्धारित पथ का अनुकरण करते हुए PSLV C-51 प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन सामान्य होता हुआ यह करीबन 109 सेकंड्स तक चलकर पृथक हो जाएगा मुख्य यान से.
First stage separated, second stage ignited.
प्रथम चरण का पृथकीकरण सामान्य.
2 minutes.
द्वितीय चरण
परफॉर्मेंस नॉर्मल.
द्वितीय चरण प्रज्वलित हो सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ. द्वितीय चरण करीब 152 सेकंड तक चलेगा.
About 90 kilometers altitude already attained. The PS-2, the second stage of PSLV, operating currently. You can see on your screens the flight parameters. The second stage operation increases the relative velocity of the launch vehicle. The payload fairing has been separated. And the closed loop guidance also is initiated. These are the two events which are done after the launch vehicle clears the denser part of the atmosphere.
Second stage performance normal.
The Shah's tracking station is continuing to track, and Trivandrum station also has started to acquire the signal of launch vehicle flight. The second stage of PSLV is based on liquid propulsion system.
अब प्रमोचन यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है. इसका मतलब है कि वह अपने नियंत्रण के लिए एक्सेलरोमीटर्स और रेट जायरोस का उपयोग कर अपनी स्थिति प्राप्त कर उसे नियंत्रण करता है और उद्दिष्ट दिशा की ओर मोड़ता है. पूरी तरह सामान्य निष्पादन PS-2 स्टेज का और निर्धारित पथ का अनुकरण करते हुए PS-2 स्टेज तरंग नोदन पर आधारित चरण है।
Second stage separated, third stage ignited.
अभी अभी आरओडी का संदेश आया है जिसमें PS3 प्रज्वलित हो चुका है। PS2 का
Third stage performance normal.
सफलतापूर्वक पृथक्करण किया जा चुका है।
Close to 5 minutes past the launch, the PSLV third stage is currently operating and the performance is normal.
Plus 5 minutes.
This stage is a solid propellant motor. Its height is 3.6 meters, diameter 2 meters, and uses 7.65 tons of propellant. The third stage will continue to burn for 125 seconds, that is a little over 2 minutes. In this duration, it will add 8 kilometers to the altitude, but
Third
increase the
stage
relative
performance
velocity
normal.
from 3.8 to 5.8 kilometers per second for the mission requirements.
तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन काल 124.9 सेकंड का होगा। उसके बाद यह शांत होकर PS3 और PS4 चरण एक साथ करीबन 106.9 सेकंड तक आगे चलेंगे। उसके बाद PS3 स्टेज का पृथक्करण होगा।
Plus 6 minutes.
PS3 चरण का अधिकतम नोदक 24.6 टन का होता है।
View from the launch view gallery and the animation of launch vehicle performance. The PS3 currently
Third stage action completed.
now, though the third stage has completed its action, it continues to coast along with the fourth stage and the spacecrafts. It will do so for the next 1 minute 47 seconds, during which time there is 143 kilometers gain in the altitude as the launch vehicle loses velocity trivially.
Plus 7 minutes.
On your screens
Vehicle
now,
performance normal.
Director UR Rao Satellite Center, Shri P. Kunhikrishnan.
PSLV C-51 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతంగా సాగుతోంది. సరిగ్గా ఉదయం 10 గంటల 24 నిమిషాలకు PSLV C-51 రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి నిప్పులు చిమ్ముతూ పైకి ఎగిరింది. వివిధ దశలను దాటుకుంటూ రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్తోంది. బ్రెజిల్కు చెందిన అమెజానియా 1తో పాటు మరో 18 ప్రైవేటు ఉపగ్రహాలను ఇస్రో నింగిలోకి పంపుతోంది. 50 ఏళ్ల ఇస్రో చరిత్రలో దేశీయ ప్రైవేటు సంస్థల ఉపగ్రహాలను నింగిలోకి పంపడం ఇదే తొలిసారి.
Are here to watch the launch.
Plus 8 minutes.
Third stage separated.
तृतीय चरण का सफलतापूर्ण पृथक्करण मुख्य यान से। अब करीबन 10 सेकंड पे चतुर्थ चरण का प्रज्वलन होगा।
Fourth stage engine started.
चतुर्थ चरण का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है।
The launch vehicle is more than 1,400 kilometers away from the launch port.
Fourth stage performance normal.
Plus 9 minutes.
Fourth stage is performing normally and the Trivandrum and Mauritius tracking stations are presently tracking. The tracking of today's mission for the launch vehicle is carried out by ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network a host of ground stations in the flight path of the mission. Particular to this mission, 5 stations are tracking for 2 orbits. For the duration of 2 hours and 11 minutes, there is overlapping.
PSLV C-51 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతంగా సాగుతోంది. సరిగ్గా ఉదయం 10:24 PSLV C-51 రాకెట్ నిప్పులు చిమ్ముతూ పైకి ఎగిరింది. వివిధ దశలను దాటుకుంటూ రాకెట్ దూసుకెళ్తోంది. బ్రెజిల్కు చెందిన అమెజానియా 1తో పాటు మరో 18 ప్రైవేటు ఉపగ్రహాలను ఇస్రో పంపుతోంది. 50 ఏళ్ల ఇస్రో చరిత్రలో దేశీయ ప్రైవేటు సంస్థల ఉపగ్రహాలను నింగిలోకి పంపడం ఇదే తొలిసారి.
Space Agency, Mr. Carlos Moura,
plus 10 minutes,
and Director INPE, Clésio Denardin, are here to witness the launch.
चतुर्थ चरण अपने निर्धारित दिशा की ओर। पूरे नियंत्रण तंत्र सामान्य निष्पादन करते हुए।
Fourth stage performance normal.
अमेजोनिया 1 सैटेलाइट का अंतःक्षेपण 752 किलोमीटर की सनसिंक्रोनस पोलर ऑर्बिट पर 98.4 डिग्री के झुकाव के साथ किया जाना है। मुख्य उपग्रह अमेजोनिया 1 के साथ सहयात्री उपग्रह सतीश धवन सेट, यह
plus 11 minutes,
स्पेस इंडिया किड्स की तरफ से ये बनाया गया है। इस उपग्रह का मुख्य कार्य रेडिएशन लेवल, अंतरिक्षीय मौसम के अध्ययन के लिए आंकड़े जुटाना तथा दूर संचार तकनीक का प्रदर्शन करना है। इसके अलावा 3 उपग्रहों का समूह, जिसे 3 शैक्षिक संस्थानों ने संयुक्त रूप से तैयार किया है, इसका नाम है यूनिटी सेट। इन उपग्रहों का उद्दिष्ट कार्य रेडियो रिले सुविधाएं प्रदान करना होगा। इन सभी उपग्रहों के अलावा 14 वाणिज्यिक सहयात्री उपग्रह सफर कर रहे हैं, जिसमें एक है सिंधु नेत्र, जो कि भारतीय तकनीकी प्रदर्शक उपग्रह है, एक उपग्रह नैनो कनेक्ट 2 नामक, तथा इसके साथ 12 अन्य स्पेस बीज नामक उपग्रह यूएसए की तरफ से तकनीकी प्रदर्शक उपग्रह हैं। यह सभी सहयात्री उपग्रह प्रमोचन यान के साथ मल्टी सैटेलाइट अडेप्टर की मदद से संयोजित कर सुरक्षित कर दिए गए हैं।
Among the 19 payloads taking a ride in this mission, the prime satellite is the 637 kilograms Amazonia 1 satellite.
Normal.
Noteworthy aspect about this satellite is that this is the first satellite which is completely designed, integrated, tested, and operated by the National Institute for Space Research, INPE, Brazil. It is an optical Earth observation satellite having wide field imaging camera with a span of 850 kilometers and a resolution of 60 meters. Amazonia 1 mission would further strengthen the existing structure by providing remote sensing
Plus
data
30
to
minutes.
users for monitoring deforestation in the Amazon region and analysis of diversified agriculture across the Brazilian territory. The satellite is designed for a mission life of more than 4 years. A team of scientists from Brazil had arrived to SDSC Shar and worked with Amazonia 1 for over 2 months to get it ready for the launch.
Fourth stage performance normal.
The PS4 is about to continue for about 3 more minutes and then it will shut off, by which time it will gain the orbital parameters required for the injection of the primary satellite at 752 kilometers circular sun-synchronous polar orbit.
चतुर्थ चरण सामान्य
plus
निष्पादन करता
14
हुआ
minutes,
अब हम कुछ ही दूरी पर अपने मुख्य उपग्रह अमेजोनिया 1 के पृथकीकरण से उपग्रह
4-stage performance
अमेजोनिया
normal
1 को 756 किलोमीटर की एल्टीट्यूड तथा 4.5 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड की गति से सन सिंक्रोनस पोलर ऑर्बिट पर अंतक्षेपित किया जाएगा।
పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-51 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతంగా సాగుతోంది. సరిగ్గా ఉదయం 10:24 పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-51 రాకెట్ నిప్పులు చిమ్ముతూ పైకి ఎగిరింది. వివిధ దశలను దాటుకుంటూ రాకెట్ దూసుకెళ్తోంది. బ్రెజిల్కు చెందిన అమెజోనియా 1తో పాటు మరో 18 ప్రైవేటు ఉపగ్రహాలను ఇస్రో పంపుతోంది. 50 ఏళ్ల ఇస్రో చరిత్రలో దేశీయ ప్రైవేటు సంస్థల ఉపగ్రహాలను నింగిలోకి పంపడం ఇదే తొలిసారి. ఇప్పటి వరకు 3 దశలు విజయవంతమైనట్టుగా మనం చూడొచ్చు. ఇది ఇస్రో చేపడుతున్న 78వ ప్రయోగం.
चतुर्थ चरण का निष्पादन सामान्य। अब हम कक्षा की स्थितियां प्राप्त करने वाले हैं। (756 किलोमीटर के एल्टीट्यूड और 7.56 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड की रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी।
Among the
Plus
co-passenger
15 minutes.
satellites, there is Satish Dhawan Sat, built by Space Kids India. Set of 3 Unity Sats, Sindhu Netra, SAI-1 NanoConnect 2, and Space Bees, a cluster of 12 satellites from USA.
अमेजोनिया 1 की कक्षा प्राप्त कर ली गई है। अब किसी भी समय अमेजोनिया 1 का अंतक्षेपण उसकी निर्धारित कक्षा पर होगा।
thrust cutoff.
चतुर्थ चरण को निर्धारित रूप से बंद कर दिया गया है।
Plus
Amethyst
17
1
minutes.
satellite injection conditions are achieved.
प्रमोशन पूरी तरह सामान्य और निर्धारित पथ पर।
Amazonia 1 satellite separated.
A jubilant moment. Amazonia 1 satellite has been separated and it has been injected into the intended orbit.
From TTC Director, Mauritius confirm Amazonia downlink reception.
This is Range Operation Director. Mission is continuing with 2 4-stage restart. After the second restart operation at 12:13 hours IST, 18 customer satellite separation will be commenced. All stations involved in operations can continue in positions. Others shall reassemble at 12 hours IST.
अमेजोनिया 1 को सफलतापूर्वक उसकी कक्षा पर स्थापित कर दिया गया है। सभी वैज्ञानिक गण खुशियां मनाते हुए।
The mission, however, will continue for another 1.5 hours. Meanwhile, the PS-4 along with the rest of the payloads will continue to coast and will reach start twice and come to a lower orbit for injecting the 18 payloads. Now we take a break and join you again at 12:10 in the afternoon for updates on ongoing mission and injection of co-passenger satellites.
जैसा कि पूर्व निर्धारित था, अब अमेजोनिया 1 के अंतक्षेपण के बाद में 44 मिनट के बाद पुनः प्रज्वलन किया जाएगा PS-4 का। तब तक वह अन्य उपग्रहों के कक्षा तक पहुंच चुका होगा। यह प्रसारण 12:10 को दोबारा शुरू होगा।
टेस्टिंग 1 2 3।
భారతీయ అంతరిక్ష సంస్థ ఇస్రో కీర్తి కిరీటంలో మరో కలికితురాయి చేరింది. పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-51 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతమైంది. సరిగ్గా ఉదయం 10:24 పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-51 రాకెట్ నిప్పులు చిమ్ముతూ పైకి ఎగిరింది. వివిధ దశలను దాటుకుని రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. బ్రెజిల్కు చెందిన అమెజానియా 1తో పాటు మరో 18 ప్రైవేటు ఉపగ్రహాలను ఇస్రో పైకి పంపింది. 50 ఏళ్ల ఇస్రో చరిత్రలో దేశీయ ప్రైవేటు సంస్థల ఉపగ్రహాలను నింగిలోకి పంపడం ఇదే తొలిసారి.
My heartiest congratulations to the Brazilian team for this achievement. The satellite is in very good health and solar panels are deployed and is functioning very nicely. Let me congratulate and compliment the entire Brazilian team. Also, my best wishes for the Brazil engineer for the future operations and the future life of the satellites and utility of the satellite for the Brazilian civilian community. On this happy occasion, we have with us Brazilian Minister for Science and Technology and Innovation, His Excellency Marcos Pontes. I request him to tell a few words.
So good morning everyone. A very, very happy day. I would like first to congratulate all and each one of you that worked so hard to make this launch a successful launch. As you can imagine from the Brazilian side, we've been working on this satellite for many years, and all this moment represents a very important, like the top of all this effort made by so many people in our National Institute for Space Research and our Brazilian Space Agency. So for all of you that are here today, representing a team, a huge team from many years working and designing, producing all the industries that are working with this satellite. And this satellite has a very important mission for Brazil. First of all, it's one more satellite to monitor the country, the Amazon, and other biomes in Brazil. As well, it represents a new era of the Brazilian industry for satellites and development in Brazil. It brings inside peace, the multi-mission platform that can be used for other satellites. So it's very important. And I could choose better place to be than here in India with all our partnership. And this is very important. This is one step, important step with this partnership that is going to grow up very much. So all of you here in India as well, I'd like to thank you very much, congratulate for beautiful launch, beautiful rocket, and all the efforts that has been done here. So we are going to work together a lot. And seeing by this symbol here with these two flags, I believe represents exactly what we are doing today. It's the beginning of our every time more stronger relationship. So you can count on Brazil, and I'm talking here in the name of President Bolsonaro and all the Brazilian government, that we are going to work together and we are going to win together. So thank you very much.